everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dolly with the Traveling Talls, and as you can see here, we are doing a packing video. Now I am really excited because we are actually going to be getting on a cruise that we've never been on, and we are going to be actually cruising with the family. So it's going to be 5 of us. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly how I pack, what I am going to take with me. And so this is going to be like a live type of video. And of course, by the time you see it, we are already on and off the ship. So let's get started. Now, before I begin, I do want to let you know that it is very important that you use some type of checklist, packing list, something to keep you organized, because if not, you're going to have a hard time trying to figure it out. It's going to become overwhelming. So we want to completely avoid that. The very first thing I love to do is write down my cruise itinerary so I know exactly what ports we're going to, if we're going to have a day at sea. So I just know exactly what I'm going to be wearing, have an idea of what activities I'm going to be doing. Now, because we're going to be with the kids, it's going to be a lot of pool activities, and it's going to be some shows. So it's not too much anything formal. And so we already know what we're going to pack there. I also packed my Smooth Sailings packing guide. I use this in every single cruise. This absolutely is a game changer. It helps me organize, and I am going to put it in the description box below and somewhere on the screen as well, so you'll be able to get access to that. And it includes the packing list. It has an extra packing list, as well as a to-do checklist and a cruise outfit planner. So with this, I use this every single time, and this is how I'm able to make sure that I have everything, I don't leave anything, and I don't overpack anything. So of course, the very first thing is my packing cubes. I have multiple colors because it's going to be 5 of us. So for mine, at least, I need to make sure that I have enough for each day. It is going to be a 5-day cruise. We are going to the Bahamas, and I need to make sure we have enough. I have about 8 tops, and I have 7 bottoms. Of course, one piece I can, rewear again. So I do have that, and I make sure that I roll all of my items so that it can fit in here. Now, as far as the packing cubes, this is not to pack it all up. It is to keep organized. So that's the reason why we have the packing cubes. Now, the packing cubes, they come in multiple sizes, multiple colors, and I absolutely love them. And this is what I'm going to use. Now, the first pack, I have my tops and bottoms. On my smaller ones, I do have the pajamas and our undergarments, as well as our socks. And I also include a sweater because we always get cold. So we want to make sure we have that. We also have our swimwear. So there's another size. You can see I didn't bring all of them out, but they come in 3 sizes where you can actually have your more bulkiest items in the bigger ones, all the way out to the small ones where you can have your toiletry. They have a shoe bag, and they also have a bag for your laundry, for your dirty clothes. Not only do I do my clothes, but I also use a packing cube to add all of my essentials to take with me on the cruise. This also keeps me organized. And I do have a previous video where I showed you how I pack this and what I add in here. So definitely check that out. I am going to leave that in the description box so you can check that out. But this is going to include my beach bag. I'm going to add my ponchos. It has been raining, so I'm not too sure how the weather is going to be. It said it's going to be a little cloudy, so we just never know. We definitely experienced rain on one of our last cruise trips, so we just want to make sure we have that just in case, so we're not overspending. I also have our disinfecting wipes in here, our hand sanitizer wipes. I did pack our wrinkle release spray, and we do have our hydrate pack. This is little packages you can put in your water. We are going to bring our tumblers so that we stay hydrated. These work great. And we did bring some toilet tissues. Now, these toilet tissues are going to be more for my son. He has really bad allergies, so we got to make sure, you know, we come prepared. We also have the glow sticks. They do have a white night glow party, so we brought these just in case they run out. The very last time Brandon and I went to a glow party, they ran out of the glow sticks, so I would just want to make sure that we have some for the kids just in case. We also have these towel bands. Now these are used to secure your towels on the chairs out by the pool on the deck. So it comes in a pack. I did get these from Amazon. I will have all the items that I'm listing here in the description box below. You can check that out. I also added a door decal. I had a pack. I actually have one left. Can't find the rest of them, but I like to use the door decal to at least identify our door. I also have, sorry, it's just a bunch of stuff. So I also have our waterproof. It's like a fanny pack. You can put your phone in it, put your money or your cards. This is great for the ports. I also put my body cream in here because it was too bulky for my toiletry bag. I also have my first aid kit in here. This is my makeshift first kit. I did get this from the Dollar Tree, and I just put I put my pain pills in here. I put my seasickness patches. I do have Band-Aids, and I also added a triple antibiotic ointment just in case, because I'm actually going with the kids and they're quick to get hurt. So I did add that in here. I am going to put this in the luggage so that it's going to be in here. I also have my hand sanitizer. All right, so now that I have all of my packing cubes together, I am going to go ahead and put it in the luggage. Also, just to note, Brandon did start his luggage. We are going to split our luggage. It's going to be me and the kids, and Brandon is going to have his own luggage, and my oldest one, she's going to have her own luggage because she likes to pack her own stuff now. All right, so now that I have all my clothes in the packing cubes, it is a lot of packing cubes, especially for the three of us, and we did not use all of the packing cubes, thank goodness, because that would be too much. But I'm gonna go ahead and put them in my luggage. And the great thing is with my luggage, this is the level 8 luggage. It has plenty of space and I'm able to use both sides. So I'm gonna go ahead and add all of my packing cubes in here. So this is Braylee's, this is her pajamas. I really like to add the big ones first so that it can fit. Now, remember when I said this is not meant for you to be able to pack all of your clothes in here. So you want to be careful because these things can rip too. If you're overpacking them, they will rip. So I'm able to add that. So I'm going to pack it like this. And the great thing is they have the straps here so I can secure that. I can keep it locked in and I can tighten it down so they're not going to be shuffling around in the luggage, because you know the porters are they're gonna take it, and then we want to make sure like it doesn't get loose. And then they also come with this net here too, so you can cover that up. So I'm gonna go ahead and fasten that, and you're able to adjust your straps too to tighten that up. And you can see I still have some space over here, but I'm going to utilize the other side so that we can confirm that we have space there. And this is BJ's. And then this is all the cruise items we're going to use. And remember that bag I mentioned, the shoe bag? Each one of them come with the shoe bag, and these are great to use. Now, we each have one, but I didn't have enough space in this luggage, so we went ahead and added to Brandon's luggage since he was the only one, and that worked perfect. So that's what happens over there. All right, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and fasten this like so. Oh wow, I gotta loosen this up. Sorry, y'all. And then I can tighten it back up. Now with that, I can go ahead and zip it up. Now we're all set. I do want to mention that these wheels are great. Like the 360 turns that these wheels offer, this is perfect. And it also comes with a lock. It's a TSA lock. I did get more into this luggage in my Virgin Voyages packing guide, so I will leave it in the description box below if you want to check that out. But these level 8 luggages are fantastic. All right, so now we're in the toiletries. I definitely want to make mention about the toiletry bag that I have. I did get this off of Amazon, and this baby has been rocking with me for over a year now. It has this hook here where you can add it and let it hang. So it has multiple compartments that you can use, and there's so much space. And let me tell you, the items in here, I have my full size body wash, my deodorant, my makeup in here. Also have my makeup sponges. I have my beauty creams, my hair items, and I also have my bar soap, my hand wash. I put my hand wash in this travel bottle here so that I don't have to keep buying bottles and leaving it in the cabin. I also have my bar soap in here in my little soap bag. I have my hand sanitizer. I do have my poopery spray, which is absolutely necessary. Especially we are all going to be in one cabin, so it is very important that we do have some type of air freshener. I do have the Lysol spray, the disinfect. I also have the Lysol wipes. This toiletry bag, I am going to put this in my my carry-on bag. There are some items I want to just keep with me just in case I need them right away, because we're not going to have access to our luggage right away. So we just want to make sure that these items stay close with me. And now that I think about it, I should probably put my my first aid kit in my bag as well, just in case. So these are the items that I do have. My toothbrushes and everything is also included. Now I'm going to go ahead and zip this up. And I'm going to go ahead and stick it in my backpack. I still use a backpack because it's just easy for me. If, you know, a backpack is just not something that you can handle because, you know, the weight or any of that, then you can definitely use a carry-on luggage, one of those personal luggage bags with the wheels. That is a lot easier. And I want to make sure I cannot forget my fan. Now, this is not just any like portable fan. This fan actually blows cool air. Now this has a cooling mechanism inside of this little machine here where it blows cool air. So it doesn't utilize the air that's around you, that hot air. This is actually going to blow cool air. And this right here is worth every penny. I'm going to leave this in the description box below. It is very popular. It has a little weight to it. You can also see an ice symbol on it, so it'll let you know that the cooling mechanism is working. All right, it is adjustable, so this can go all the way up to 100, and you can actually hear it. This is just at 50. And of course, you want to make sure you add your documents. Now, this should be the very first thing you make sure you add. I also want to take my packing list with me. So that is going to go in my bag with me. I'm going to add my luggage tags on there because it needs to go onto the luggage. I'm also going to add my phone charger. I am going to use it tonight. So this is how I pack. I may have forgotten something, but of course I am always checking and rechecking just to make sure I didn't forget anything. But for the most part, I got everything and I'm ready to go. Love just has to pack up his bag and we are all set. Let me know in the comments below if there's any items that you also include, and we'll see you in the next video.